To start your product documentation and fully leverage the benefits of the Buildly Labs app, the platform will guide you through a new product wizard. Fill out the new product setup form. For the most accurate estimate of your product, thoroughly complete all the fields required by the product wizard. Name your product and provide a detailed description. Set up the dates for your project milestones. You'll also have the option to connect your Trello and GitHub accounts. This will allow you to synchronize your accounts with Buildly Insights and manage everything in one place. In the next step, define the type of application you're building, identify your primary business segments, and determine who your users are. Choose your approximate budget and the technology you plan to use to build your product. Specify the size of your current team and their background/roles. If you need a development team or a technical co-founder, you can find one in our Collab Hub. The Collab Hub is a collaborative space where you can connect with trusted development teams. Next, provide user information about your product: when, how, and in what situations it will be used, what its most important functionality will be, and what the biggest risks are to the product's success. Then, choose whether your product is new from scratch or if you'd like to modify existing software. Define your user types and indicate whether you need a development team to assist you or if you already have one. Finally, create your product. Next, configure your project board in the Product Roadmap section to get started. In the Insights section, you will find detailed product information, including budget, timeline, architecture, team needed, first AI-generated features, and more.